Number 5, if f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, such that f of 0 is equal to -1 and f of -1 is equal to 3, what is the value of a minus b? It says when x is equal to 0, y is equal to -1. This means y-intercept of this function is equal to -1, right? For the polynomial functions, especially this is quadratic function, this constant is always equal to y-intercept, right? So we know that the value of c is equal to -1. Or we can just substitute 0 for x here. Then that's going to be f of 0 is equal to a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c. So that is equal to -1, right? So -1. So this part right here, that's 0, b times 0, that's 0. So this gives us that c is equal to -1, right? Now let's use this information right here. Substitute -1 for x and then simplify the equation. So f of -1 is equal to a times -1 squared plus b times -1. We have c, and we know that c is equal to -1, right? So -1 is equal to f of -1 is 3. So that is equal to 3. So a minus b minus 1 is equal to 3. So a minus b is equal to 4. So the value of a minus b, that's 4.